Hey guys, hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my YouTube channel The AVL Investments and Solutions. Today we are going to discuss about some simple things related to initial public offering which we should know before applying for any IPO. We have heard many people saying that they have applied for IPO but refunds are not received, or we didn't get any allotment, or what will be the listing gain on that IPO, and what if we get the allotment, and many other things. So here we will be discussing what is IPO, why should we apply for the IPO, and what if we don't get the allotment, then should we buy it on the listing day or wait for some time, and what should we check before applying for any IPO, and at what price we should apply, as there is a price band given for every IPO and we can apply for it at any price, and how can we increase the allotment chances. And many people have questioned, can we apply for IPO from multiple Demat accounts? So all your answers related to IPO will be answered here, and if any left, then you can either ask me in comments or send me email or text me on Instagram. So now let's start the video of the day. What is IPO? IPO, that is initial public offering, is a process of making a private company to a public company by issuing shares in primary market and start of trading in secondary markets. IPO consists of two types. One is fresh issue and the other one is offer for sale. When the company raises funds by way of fresh issue of shares, then its whole money goes to the company, which is called fresh issue of shares. And when already held shares are sold by the people to the public, then it's called offer for sale. So offer for sale is an exit strategy for companies' founders, promoters, or we can say the first owners. For this, we can have a recent IPO example, which is Novoco Vistas Corporation Limited, whose total IPO size was rupees 5,000 crores. But there was fresh issue of rupees 1,500 crores and rest was offer for sale. So from rupees 3,500 crores, the company will not be receiving any amount, but the people or promoters who sold their stake will be receiving the same amount. In any IPO, stake is kept for a particular type of investors like qualified institutional buyers, non-institutional investors, retail individual investors, etc. Now, the practical thing, that why should we apply for any IPO? Is it a safe investment or trading activity? If you want to get good returns on short-term basis, then it's a very safe investment or trading activity. But we need to check some things that we will be discussing later in the video. And if you want to invest for longer period of time, then also after considering company's fundamentals, we can apply for the IPO and get the stock at its base price. Here the question comes to our mind, what should we check before applying for any IPO? First of all, you need to decide you want to take short-term returns from that IPO, or you are making investment for a longer period of time. If our purpose is to get short-term returns, or we can say listing gains, then we should check its grey market premium, and through that we can have a rough idea of listing price. Then we should check how much subscriptions are being made to this IPO by qualified institutional buyers, non-institutional investors, and retail individual investors. And also, we need to check the reviews and ratings of various institutions on that IPO, so this way we can have a better picture of that IPO's returns. And if our purpose for investment in that IPO is for longer term, then we should check company's future growth aspects, mission, vision, and what is the reason for fundraising by the company or the promoters are selling their stake, and how much amount belongs to fresh issue and how much is related to offer for sale. And also we should check the company's financial statements, that includes its balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow statements, and also we need to check its financial ratios that can give us a clear picture of its financials. We have heard many people stating that we have not received the allotment of the IPO due to our bad luck. But here I will state that there is nothing like bad luck. It's just that you need to do some smart work to get the allotment of the IPO. So things are here. Always apply at cutoff price, that is the highest price of that IPO. Let's say if the price band of a particular IPO is rupees 560 to rupees 580, then apply at rupees 580. And if you are having money for applying many lots, then apply it from multiple accounts. That means from account of many people. That can be your mother, your father, friends, relatives, etc. But never apply from multiple accounts having the same PAN number. If you will do the same, then your application will be auto rejected. Or if you want to increase the allotment chances, then you can apply more lots from the single account. If you are having good money, by checking the already subscribed status of that particular IPO. Now the last question related to IPO that comes to our mind is that what if we don't get the allotment? Then your money will be refunded to your same bank account from where you have applied within 6 to 7 days. But if you want to invest in that particular stock, then these two things you should keep in mind. If any stock has got the bumper listing, then wait for its correction, then enter to that stock for investment purposes, and never enter on the listing day for that stock which has got the bumper listing. And yes, if the stock got listed at discount or at normal price or with 20 to 25% returns, then you can enter that stock for investment purposes, and you can take your call for entry into that particular stock either on listing day or after a period of time. I hope you all will find this video useful and informative for your future activities. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the more updates. And if you want to open your Demat account, then check the description box and the link is given. Open your account hassle-free and without any paperwork. And if you open your account with the same link, then text me on Instagram to get related offers and also solution to sport queries for lifetime. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.